So today we're going to install our combination smoke and CO2 detector. This unit has a battery built into it that lasts 10 years, so for someone my age, probably the last one that I'll ever need. You get this backing plate, the unit that screws onto it, and it has instructions, but they're in like a 6-point font, so basically worthless for me. And I have mono vision, so using reading glasses or a magnifying glass is awkward. So I went to their website to see if they have an installation video, and they don't. So I'm going to make one. So this is the backing plate that comes with a kit, and this will be mounted to either the wall or ceiling, depending on where you want to put it. It has these two rather bizarre looking cutouts in it that I guess are designed to use holes that you might already have in your wall or ceiling, which we do. So we'll see how those work and just try to choose two that oppose each other. It doesn't seem like it would hold as well for any of the positions that you could choose, but it's a pretty light thing really, so I think it'll be fun. And so we'll just go hold it up to the ceiling and see which positions mount up best and get her mounted up. Okay, so here's our mounting location. There's been a couple there before, as you can see, so we've already got some holes. It's been painted around, so that's where we're going to have to put it back. But it's a good location. It's right outside a bedroom. It's in the center of the home that we call the common room. It's 6 feet away from the closest bathroom and kitchen, because if you get these things too close to the kitchen, it becomes more of a statement as to your cooking ability than it does a safety measure. So we're going to hold the plate up there and see which one of these holes are going to work for us, and then we'll get it mounted up. Okay, so here's our place where the old smoke detector was. So if I put this right over that, closest hole alignment is about right there. So we're going to use this one and this one right here. So I'm going to give it my all. Just make a pilot hole right there. And that'll tell us where we need to put our screw in.
Yeah.
Okay, so this isn't drywall, this is plaster over lath. And lath is wood, so I won't be able to use a plastic insert. It'll probably just, when it's swelled out from the screw, it'll probably just bust that out, which is what's happened in the past. So what we're going to do is just use some bigger screws that can go all the way through there and on into the wood behind it. So you get this back where it was before. Here's our pilot hole. So that's good and solid.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got our mounting plate on, and all we have to do is put this on and give it a little twist. Oh, there we go.
Welcome. First alert carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. No location programmed. To select location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit. Testing.
Well,
Warning. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
okay. So I think we're done. Seems to work fine. And that's all there is to it.